And ahead of the general election, we reached out to the city of Madison to see if there were any polling location changes. The city says several have returned to Madison West, East, and La Follette High School. There were also polling locations on UW-Madison in August because of students were on summer break. Those have moved back to where they were in April. Those locations can be found on our website, WMTV15news.com.